Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the bubble color on your Instagram notes. So Instagram has finally added more ways to express yourself. And here I'm going to show you the latest update to unlock different colors and themes for your status bubbles. So you can just first go to your DMs page right here, and then here you can just click on your note. You can just click on the bubbles right here, and you'll see the color palette options at the top, this icons right here. And to change the color, this is the bubble editor. You can just click on this ones right here. As you guys can see, your notes will be changed. You can also just swipe to see more colors for your notes like this. For example, I'm going to just go with yellow, and in here you can also add emoji to your notes by clicking on this emoji icon and choose the emoji that you want to add like this. Then you can just write something on your notes. Let's say I'm going to just go with this, and you can just click on share, and just like that, now your notes will be updated in the color that you choose. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.